Open 5. Open up to 5.
Give Mum a hug and a kiss.
Ah! Yay! Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
We've got one for mums, we've got one for grandmas, we've got one for moms. So you take your sheet, once you've colored it, and then you put the points at the corners together and fold it like that. And then you open it back up, and then you turn it, and you do the other 2 points together, like that, and fold it. And then you open it back up. Okay. Then you turn it over and you take the points and you bring them right into the very center where the folds meet and press it out. Then you go all the way around and bring the points to the center. All the way around and pressing it out and pressing nice on the folds. There we go. Okay, once you've finished that part, we turn it over and we put the point to the center on this side. And we take that all the way around. Points to the center, press them out like that. Into the center, press them out. Make sure it's nice and pressed out, okay? And then into the center like that. Once you have that all pressed out, you can take your Chatterbox card and put it in an envelope for your mom or your grandma, whoever you're making this for, your mom. Close it up, and then now you decorate the front, and then you'll be ready to give it to her on Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
That's beautiful. Can Mummy open this?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Whose is this? Jazzy's. Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
4.
Who loves Mum? Me! Dad, Keenan. Help Mum with cooking! Get Mum a drink of
Ooh. Juice.
juice, wine. What did I get you?
L-E.
P-U-R-L-P-L-E.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give Mum a hug and a kiss.
Ah. Yay.
Mwah.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Finish.